So today we are back with another video. So today's video is gonna be so amazing because we're gonna change the Windows mouse cursor to Mac OS X cursor. So the link is in the description. Also, I have pinned the link in the desktop of my PC. Here we go. You can see here's the link, and we're gonna show you how to change the cursor to any Mac OS X cursor. And I have now El Capitan mouse cursor. So let's get started. So just I am gonna follow up the link. So control plus click here, and then just it's gonna open a website. It is called Mediafire. So here's a file, so you can download it here. Okay, so I'm gonna download it, and so here's my file downloaded, and then just go to show all and find a folder. Okay, now I'm just gonna extract it to the desktop. So here's the password on it. So the password is YR designs. Okay, so simple, the password is YR designs, so you can uh, use it on this RR. So then it's going to be extract, and then just find the RR file. So I just extracted it here on my document folder. So here's the file. Okay, so you can see a stalled file, so you can easily install the cursor by right clicking on it and then just click on to stall. So right click and then just install, click on it, install, and then just gonna be installed it. So and now the procedure of the mouse cursor. So here we go. Just go to your start menu and then just go to mouse settings. I'm just gonna search the mouse settings and then go to the mouse properties and go to the pointer properties, and then here is scheme. So there's a drop down menu, and there's just Windows arrow is coming up, so I'm just gonna be click left, and then here's the El Capitan Mac OS X cursor, so you're just gonna click on it, and then voila, here's our cursor of Mac OS X. So here we go, and all the stuffs are here. You're just gonna apply it and then enjoy. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it. Here we go, and the error is coming up. So it's showed that the cursor scheme name you selected is already in use. Do you want to replace the original scheme? Yes, I just want it. Okay, so here we go. So the cursor is going to be changed, and it's going to be in Mac OS X cursor. So here we go. There's the result of this video. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so make sure you subscribe and share to all your friends. So peace out. Thank you.